Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're driving over Spur Hill in St. Elizabeth. Now, everybody who travels this side of the island, you have to go over Spur Hill. However, the government announced recently that they are going to be building a bypass for Spur Hill, and it's going to be a part of the Highway 2000 project that will, or part of Highway 2000 that will build the road, build out the PJ Patterson Highway from Kingston to Montego Bay. So that highway goes through the interior of Jamaica. So they are going to build a bypass for Spur Hill as a part of that highway. So hopefully soon we won't have to be driving over Spur Hill anymore. We'll have a 4-lane dual carriageway highway that will take us along the journey. So the section of the highway would be from Mandeville to St. Elizabeth. More specifically, it's going to run from Williamsfield in Mandeville to Hodges in St. Elizabeth. And that will be the route of that section of the highway. And they plan to start it next year. They are currently working on the Maypen to Mandeville section of the highway. That's Highway 2000. But that road, Highway 2000, was renamed the PJ Patterson Highway. So we might call it by both names sometimes. So currently that highway goes from Kingston to Maypen. That's finished, up and running. Then you have Maypen to Mandeville, which is going to finish in August of this year. And then you're going to have Mandeville to St. Elizabeth, which is a section of the road that will have the bypass for Spur Hill. It will also have a bypass for Mandeville, Spur Hill, Santa Cruz, Black River. So all those major towns will be bypassed on the highway route, because you know how it goes when you go through these towns. It can get congested, bogged down, and you don't need to be going through Black River if you don't have any business in Black River now. So that's why they're upgrading the road network. And now we're off Spur Hill. If you turn left here, you go to Junction, which is one of the main towns in St. Elizabeth. The capital is actually Black River, but Santa Cruz is far busier than Black River, and Junction is also a main town. Those are the main towns. So we are actually heading, this is the main road you would drive on because there's no highway yet, but once the highway is built, you will have an alternate route to all of these roads. Now, the one drawback to this highway is it's a toll road, so you have to pay to use it. Between Kingston and Maypen, it's 2 toll plazas. You're going to have one additional one on the journey to Mandeville, and not sure how many more you will have on your way to St. Elizabeth, but you can be assured it will be at least one more. Alright, so we're actually heading towards Santa Cruz now.